G20 ᱨᱮᱱ ᱰᱮᱞᱤᱜᱮᱥᱚᱱ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱯᱨᱚᱛᱤᱱᱤধᱤ ᱫᱚᱞ ᱵᱷᱟᱨᱚᱛ ᱫᱤᱥᱚᱢ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱟᱹᱰᱤᱜᱟᱱ ᱴᱷᱟᱶ ᱜᱮᱠᱚ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱜ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱵᱷᱟᱨᱚत ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱠᱞᱟᱭᱢᱮᱴ ᱯᱚᱨᱤᱵᱮᱥ ᱥᱚᱝᱥᱠᱨᱤᱛᱤ ᱤᱫᱤ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱪᱟᱨᱪᱟᱭᱮᱫᱟ ᱱᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱫᱷᱟᱣ ᱠᱚ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ ᱜᱩᱡᱽᱨᱟᱴ ᱯᱚᱱᱚᱛ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ गांधीनगर ᱨᱮ अडलाज की भाव साबरमती कैनल सिफोन को दाड़ा आगू कदा इन्वायरमेंट एंड क्लाइमेट सस्टेनेबिलिटी वर्किंग ग्रुप उनको साथ इंडियन गाइड होको तहेकना जहां नोआ को टूरिस्ट स्पॉट नागाम आर्किटेक्चर इदी कते को बड़ा हचु केद कुआ अटल ब्रिज पोस्ट होको चला लेना नुकु अमलिय को
practical examples of what is being done in the ground in terms of local knowledge and local initiatives and how that addresses the needs of the community that it's meant to serve. The fact that the siphon is built by Indian engineers who understand what is going on in the community as well. So that was, an amazing bit of knowledge that I didn't know before, that this was completely built by local engineers. Even the stepwell, the architecture of the stepwell is amazing. And then also to see what's been done even that many years ago in terms of what needed to be done in the area and how the stepwell services the community and harvest water for the community around the stepwell.
It's absolutely impressive to see first a historic example of water management very early on, and now to see this modern technological marvel is very, very interesting. And you don't always get a chance to see it and to have such a knowledgeable presentation from somebody who was involved.